Hi, Rainy Room fans! I'm here with my dad. He's recording. So we're going to open this. And I don't know how to open this. So I'm just going to use my scissors. And trying to open this package. It's the Lalaloopsy tinies. And this is my first time doing it with my dad. And this is where some of my videos will take place. Okay, so I got it open. So I'm going to show you the checklist. Because I can, and I will. So I don't have any from season 1, but I mainly have season 2, series 2. Like I have this fairy, that fairy, and I have Pillow. If you know any of these names, please tell me, because I don't know. I have this mermaid, I have this peppermint girl. So I have a whole bunch, and I have this one too. Well, I think it's that one. No, it's this one I meant. So, and I have her and her I don't know where dog is, but so that's one side. Here's the other. So we're going to be checking off this if we can. Hold on. I'm a marker. So we're going to check that off at the end when we're done looking the Lalaloopsies. Let me just get rid of my garbage. I'll put it on the floor for now. I'll clean it up. Okay. So we got this little bear. And these are small. Like paired to Rainbow Dash. Like a figure of the My Little Pony. Like blind bag ones. So those are pretty small. And here it is compared to a jumbo Shopkin from McDonald's. So they're very teeny compared to other figures. And here's a Shopkin. It's about that, similar to a Shopkin size. So that looks like a little polar bear bow. Because many Lalaloopsies have bows. And I mean that, I mean like almost all of them. Maybe all of them. So. Then we have this girl with orange hair and the button eyes. And as you can tell, their eyes aren't perfect line up because they got made by somebody or something. So I think that's cool. So she's wearing a pink skirt or something. And then they do, and like I said, here's a size of a Shopkin. So you can see the animals are smaller paired to the to the regular size is girls. So they're about the same size of a Shopkin, maybe. So those are those two. We have this girl with blue hair with bows. Is with a blue dress with a little fuzzy on it. And I actually think that's her pet. I'm not positive, but I think so. If you know, tell me in the comments if you know any of their names or anything about them. Okay, now I'm going to check the ones I got of this one. So I got, I'm not sure where they are. I'm still getting used to this checklist. So I think it's I think it's this one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's that one. So we got her, her. Well, I think it's, yeah, I'm pretty sure. And then she's over here. So we got 3. And then we got the checklist. So those are those 3. And then the checklist. And it is double-sided. So, yeah. So, tell me if you know their names in the comments. Bye, Raining Room fam. Tell me in the comments if you know any of their names. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and our channel. And don't forget to thumbs it up if you like it. And beware of more things coming up for my channel. Bye, Raining Room fans.